Your future begins here at SENG KHASI College, Shillong. With the proud motto Yaiminot, the college now announces admission open for the year 2026. Applications are now open for Class 11 Arts and Commerce. In the arts stream, students can choose from subjects like English, Alternative English, MIL KHASI, Environmental Education, Political Science, Education, Computer Science, Economics, Philosophy, Mathematics, History, Sociology, and Elective KHASI. In the Commerce stream, subjects offered include English, Alternative English, MIL KHASI, Environmental Education, Economics, Accountancy, Business Studies, Entrepreneurship, Mathematics, and Computer Science. Meritorious students will be eligible for fee concession. Admission will be conducted in blended mode for the convenience of students. For online admission, visit senghasicollege.in. Admission forms are also available at the college office. Join a college that inspires learning, discipline, and progress. SENG KHASI College Shillong, admission open 2026.